Now, there's a question that a lot of the new investors have been asking about, right? This is the question that some of you guys, even on this channel, you have been dying to know what are the latest developments or what are the updates with relation to the NEO F3 factory, right? Well, I've got some little updates and I hope you are going to enjoy this one. But before we dig deep, right, please guys, I ask you once again, subscribe, man, to this channel. You know that all day, every day, I'm giving you NEO's latest development, NEO's content, and YouTube still tells me that some of you guys have not really subscribed. And look, man, I promise you, if there's one thing I can promise you, wherever possible, I'll continue giving you the NEO's latest developments all day, every day. You know that I try to give you as many videos as possible, and I'll continue doing that, man. So you subscribing, you're not just subscribing to someone who will drop video maybe whenever they feel like, but I'm guaranteeing you that on a daily basis there will be latest developments that I drop for you. So please just subscribe, just like, just hit that notification bell, and just share it with your friends who you know very well they are liking this talk, right? I'll really appreciate. Now let's get back to the video. The latest development with regards the F3 factory, or factory number 3 for NEO, it's none other than, of course, NEO hiring, apparently issuing comprehensive or offering comprehensive salary of around 6,000 to 8,000 RMB on a monthly basis. So this is a comprehensive salary that NEO is offering, offering a formal employment contract and multiple benefits, right? These are the latest developments about the NEO F3 factory. We don't know, we still don't know, however, if the production has officially begun, but I am quite certain that they've started probably maybe producing the ES8, right? I think so, but in terms of mass production, I'm not sure if they are mass producing the NEO ES8, but I'm hoping that they've started doing something, because this hiring post or NEO hiring, we've heard about it I think a couple of weeks ago, and NEO initially they had said that they are planning to start the mass production right now in September. They had said that mass production is going to start this month, and hopefully we will get to see, or at least hear, what are the latest developments, maybe, who knows, next week on Saturday, because Saturday is a very special day for NEO, because they will be doing an official unveiling of the all new NEO ES8. So we'll be closely monitoring that. We'll be closely seeing or watching what NEO will announce. Hopefully they will be mass producing this vehicle as of next week on Saturday from the all new NEO factory number 3, which will be so amazing, so exciting, because that factory, you will know that on single shift, I think it can produce like what, 120,000 cars. Double shifts, you know, it can go over 200,000, which is something that, adding to the existing production capacity or adding to the existing total production that NEO has, I think you and me can agree that we need to brace ourselves for what's coming, because if you think the 1 billion that NEO is raising, it's just raising for Q4, you've got it twisted, because of course NEO is not only preparing for Q4, but it's preparing once the production capacity gets to 150,000 cars per quarter, it will never come down, or it will never be reduced, in other words, and that is go back to maybe production capacity of 30,000. It will never come down to that figure anymore. It will forever be upgraded, taking the production capacity to the next level, and before you know it, NEO will be delivering 250,000 cars on a quarterly basis, which will give them annual deliveries of 1 million. You know, I was so excited when I see the kind of progress, or seeing the kind of progress that NEO is making. So it might be still falling short of the kind of deliveries that we want to see, but there is good progress. I must tell you, there's good progress because, look, I was reading some news which I think I'll cover for you on tomorrow's video. This news requires a separate video, and these are the news of Lucid, right? Lucid just recently announced their Q2 earnings, and they highlighted their production capacity, like the production that they want to see themselves reaching this year or by the end of this year in Q4. And that production capacity, they've reduced it. It was 20,000 annual production capacity that they want to reach, but now they've now reduced it to around 18 to 20,000. So the production capacity for Lucid, they see it going to 18 to 20,000. And just seeing that and the market cap that Lucid has, knowing that what Lucid wants to deliver per year is not even close to what NEO delivers in a month, but yet on the market share side, NEO is not very far off from Lucid. That in itself, it's something that shows you that NEO should be valued way more than where they are. Share price of NEO should continue rising because NEO's market cap or current market cap is really unjustified looking at or comparing to the market cap of other EV competitors. So we need to brace ourselves and just look forward to what is coming, because whether it now or later, the market will have to readjust and give NEO what belongs to NEO. It's like what is said in the Bible, give Caesar what belongs to Caesar, right? But this time around, we are talking about NEO, or value NEO, or give NEO what belongs to NEO in terms of market valuation. And I think we are going to get what belongs to NEO, whether now or at a later stage, which is something that we look forward to. I hope you guys did not panic when NEO announced the 1 billion market offering, which so many of the new investors, even on this channel, were panicking. But anyways, we've discussed in detail about that. I hope you know exactly what NEO is going to use that money for. I hope you know what the big financial institutions, big guns, are saying about that market offering and their current sentiment. I mean, we spoke about JP Morgan, or what JP Morgan has to say about the market share offering. But anyways, don't want to waste your time. I think we should brace ourselves for what is coming. I will see you on the next one. Once again, I ask you guys, please like this video, please subscribe if you've not done so, and I'll continue giving you the good content on a day to day. Otherwise, I'll see you on the next one. That is all from me, my dear friends, and God bless you all.